my name is Bruno Mock and I'm teaching at EGS in the field of music and new media. I teach also in Vienna and in the Spring Symposium, of course. You probably have seen me. My work is also teacher in higher education, so I'm in the field of education. And on the other hand, I work with children as a psychomotoric therapist, which is art therapist, movement therapist for children. So I have my feet in both fields, in the therapeutic fields and in the education field. This is one thing I really love in teaching expressive arts. We can try, we can play around, we can try out in new ways with a high sensitivity, with low skill. We'll start to listen to the sound of silence or the things we have in our household, and we go to compare that with professionals in the field. Then we will work with our voice. Probably you know my dissertation at EGS was about the tradition of yodeling, what I do myself. And of course, we combine digital work, recordings with analog work, and we share that through internet with the group, and we can there discuss and lecture about the themes. The thing is, we not only want to do actions and doing art, we have a second level, R. We have a second thing, which is reflection. So it is art, reflection and theory art. Adapted from the concept of deduction and induction from Karl Popper. And now let's go and let's share rhythms, sounds, voice, digital music, pictures, movies, to a complete work, as you can see from last year. Let's share this experience digital, online, in this special time we are in. Hope to see you